How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete a single photo or one photo from your multiple photos that you have posted on Instagram app. Here, head into your post. Now here on the post you can see I posted here a quick picture here, multiple pictures here, three pictures I posted here. Now to delete a single picture from your multiple photos, what you want to do is first tap on the three dots on the post. Tap on three dots and then tap on edit option, and here you can see you'll be able to look into the picture by swiping. And once you swipe into the picture that you want to delete, simply tap on the delete icon that you can find along with the picture. On the picture you can see it at the top left corner of the picture. Simply tap on delete and it'll ask you to confirm your delete media. Simply tap on delete and you can see that picture has been deleted and two pictures are still remaining. You can do similarly to remove another one. So this way you can delete one photo from multiple photos or posts on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.